Hi, I'm Judith, and I'm going to show you how to do a simple animation in Scratch. In a painting program, I created this brown dog, and then I imported it here as a Scratch sprite. Once it is a Scratch sprite, I can go to its Costume tab and copy the dog's costume many times. In each of these different costumes, I changed just a bit about the dog. I changed its tail and I changed its ears so that I ended up with 7 different costumes. I named them so that they had meaning and so that they were in order. This one is Brown Dog 1, Brown Dog 2, Brown Dog 3, and so on. I'm noticing that I made a typo in some of them. I'll just fix it now while I'm here with you guys. Not a big deal. All right. And so I have 7 named costumes for this brown dog, and I'm ready to write an animation script. I'll start out with an event, which is when green flag clicked. Then I'll do the costume changes. So I need to pull out a lot of switch costumes. 7, in fact, because there are 7 costumes. You can do this kind of animation with 2 or 3 costumes too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 7. So now I'll switch from 7 to 1 and go in order until I've switched the costumes 7 times. All right, Brown Dog 1, Brown Dog 2. I'm up to 4. It's easy to lose track sometimes when you have so many things. Okay, I have 7 costumes, and I'm going to test it now by clicking on the green flag. How does it look, guys? Not so great. It goes so fast, it's imperceptible. I can't even see the changes. So I'm going to need to put some weights in. In Control, I'll find weight right at the top, and I'll squeeze these weights in between the costume changes. So maybe this time I'll be able to see the changes. And I actually need a weight at the end. Otherwise, it might go back to Brown Dog 1 without our being able to see it. All right, let's test it now. How does it look now that we have a weight? Well, it's okay, but I think it's a little slow and therefore a little bit boring. So I'll stop the code and put in a shorter weight of 0.25. 0.25 is less than a second. In fact, it's a quarter of a second, just like a quarter is 1/4 or 1/4 of a dollar. Gets a little tedious, but we're done. And let's test it again and see how this animation looks. I like that speed better. I'm pretty happy, but I want it to happen more times. So I'm going to add a forever, or perhaps you'll want it to be animated a certain number of times, then you would use repeat. I'm going to place all of this code into forever and take a look now. My animation goes on and on and on. I hope you have as much fun making your animation as I had creating mine.